stand at the crossroads of life and feel lost, have you ever thought that the real relief may be to turn around and see yourself who has been neglected for a long time? The first step out of pain and difficulties begins with learning to care for yourself. Self-care is not selfish, but a profound manifestation of love and wisdom, which allows you to find the light in the dark and regain your enthusiasm and hope for life. Love yourself, starting with inner stability. Buddhist wisdom tells us that true peace comes from the inner environment, not the outer environment. When we can maintain the stability of our hearts in the chaos, we cannot be shaken in the face of challenges. This stability comes from taking care of yourself and listening to and responding to your inner needs. Think about it. When you start to set aside a moment for yourself every day, how will you view the problems that troubled you in the past? Self-care is not only a care at the material level, but also a deep healing at the spiritual level. Only by taking good care of your heart first can you really help others. When you learn to love yourself, your inner compassion will naturally emerge, and you will also have more strength to face the tests of life. Such love is an unconditional acceptance, a reconciliation of one's past, and a confidence in the future. In our life, we will inevitably encounter all kinds of pain and setbacks, but what really determines our destiny is not the pain itself, but how we face it. Pain is a part of life, which reminds us of the inherent imbalance and prompts us to seek deep self-repair. Learning to care for yourself is the first step out of pain. When you accept your vulnerability and treat it with gentleness, your inner strength will continue to grow, making you more determined in the face of difficulties. Accepting the fact that you are not perfect is a manifestation of courage. Only through self-admission can we truly transform pain. This transformation process is not achieved overnight, but through continuous self-care and reflection. When you can calmly face your vulnerability and see it as an opportunity to grow up, pain will become your strength to move forward. Darkness is not the end, but the only way to light. When we are in trouble, we should not escape, but face it bravely, because the real light is often hidden behind the darkness. Self-care is to light a heart lamp in the dark and guide you to a bright future. When you spend some time paying attention to your inner world every day, the darkness is no longer so terrible, because you already have the light to guide you forward. Darkness is only temporary, and light always exists in our hearts. The inner light comes from our self-confidence and self-love. When you learn to give yourself some time for mindfulness every day, the light in your heart will become stronger and stronger, eventually illuminating your way forward. No matter how difficult the road ahead is, the heart lamp will become your most determined guide, taking you through the darkness to your own bright future.